A day of sunshine and chores. Today, I decided to work outside. The sun was a big, warm circle in the sky, and it made me feel very hot. To keep the sun out of my eyes, I wore a wide-brimmed hat on my head. My first job was to give all the thirsty plants a drink of water. After watering, I pulled out all the pesky weeds that were trying to crowd my beautiful flowers. Some of the plants were getting too big, so I gave them a little trim. Next, I gave some of the plants special food to help them grow strong and healthy. Then it was time to mow the lawn, making neat stripes in the grass. After mowing, I raked up all the loose grass. The birds were chirping, so I filled their baths with fresh, cool water for them to splash in. I swept the sidewalks and paths until they were clean and clear. Then, I took out the garbage and even filled the car with gas for our next adventure. The car was dusty, so I gave it a good wash until it sparkled in the sun. I hung the clean clothes on the line, letting the breeze dry them. The lawn furniture needed a cleaning too, so I washed it all down. My last big job was to wash all the windows on the outside of the house. I was so tired, I sat down and had a tall, cool glass of lemonade. My neighbor, a friendly woman named Sarah, came over to chat. I helped Sarah trim a tree that was growing a little too wild. Before I went inside, I planted some flower bulbs that would bloom in the spring. Finally, I went into the house. I was exhausted, but my yard looked beautiful, and I felt proud of all my hard work.